All right, good evening and welcome to the end of the review for today. And today is Friday, August 30, 2024. So it's the last trading day of this week, and this week we are in week 35. By the way, we have the medium to high back new is the PCI data, which is so-called personal income PCE data, and it's raised more than expected. And if we look at, right there, so it's released today, and the next release gonna be the end, basically the Friday, the end of the month. And also today we have option expiration day of the month right there. So we are in this 35. Next week gonna be the 36th week, and next week Monday we don't have trading day because the Labor Day here in the US. So we see that the next event for us gonna be Friday, which is a non-farm payroll, which is the first Friday of the month. That's the economic cycle right there. So the next release right there is September 6th right there. So basically the last Friday of the month we have the PCE data, and the first Friday of the month we have non-farm payroll, and then the second Wednesday of the month we're gonna have the PCI data, and then we have FOMC meeting. We don't have it in August, but we will have it in September, where the Fed gonna cut the rates right there. So September 11. Wow, cool! What a day, September 11. Right there, yes, the second Wednesday of the month, December. All right, so go to the charts. What do we see here? We see that this range right here, and we start out right here, right? We start out right here at 9:30, right? And we see that the release at 8:30 right there is this range. So it's right the buy side, and the rate couple more time, and then boom, it sell off. It take out this sell liquidity, and then it reverse. And right here we have a perfect setup right there. You see that level? Yep, this level. Basically break, test, and reverse right there. And here we have the so-called head and shoulder pattern right there. See that? That's a perfect setup for right there. Yeah, you cannot ask for a better setup like this. You have the reversal type 1, break, retest, and reverse, and then right here is, you see the gap right there, you have a gap down and gap up. It's got balance break range right there, and the retest 1, 2 right there. Yeah, here's the fairy gap right there, and the one we have is the most today, right? The one we have is called balance break range right there. It's the number one, the most powerful and reliable right there. You see, it's perfect happen for today. See the gap right there, gap down and gap up, and this one at the retest right there. And before that we have a 4 breakout. See that right there, with double test break, balance break range right there. Perfect. You could ask a better perfect than this. And we cut up a lot of right here. We blow up our account right here. We just get a reset and then we blow up out of the way, because right here we it's very tricky right here. We will see that in the real time it's back and forth, back and forth, and we make mistake because we are not executing. We have a poor execution right there. We see the direction right there. Right here you have break. You can see that you have break and test from above. Right? We follow this and then it pull back again as it take it out. You see, so this condition is very extremely very hard to short them if we don't do the right movement right there. That's what we try to say. See right here also. But we look at overall right here, we see that this is the swing right here. And it starts right in the middle of that swing. And we have a failure gap right here and breakout level right there. Basically, it tried to fill out the failure gap, but it failed and it go down. It take the sell side and then from there, boom, it reversed. If we look on a daily, we can see the pattern right here. So basically, yesterday we see the candle curve, put back, and we give it the idea that today it's gonna go there. It's gonna go there. It's gonna refill this. That's what we anticipate. So the high of the candle is 63.75, and high of this 65. Wow. High of the 63. This one is, so it's filled. It take out the high right there. Yeah, it take out. Yeah, it's right. It's just right the buy side right there. Wow, that's amazing. So whenever we see a candle like this, right, is up close and then it pull back right there, then the next candle likely gonna feel that. That's weak right there. But the challenge is how we're gonna feel. Right, when we see that, we thought that okay, so it's gonna feel right away, right? We thought it's gonna feel right here the momentum. It's gonna feel after this. We thought that it's gonna feel it, but it did not. Look at the 930 and then look at 45 right there. Yeah, that give us. So it's not going to feel right away. It pull it back, take the sell side, then boom. That's how it feels. And we have to check this pattern, right? We're going to take this pattern to see how it's going to feel. That's how it's going to feel. We need. And right here, we also have a level right there. That's the level also important because that's the mid-range of the failure gap right there. So the next move is whether it's gonna fill the gap and then it's gonna reverse or it continue to move off. That's the question that we have in mind. So let's check this screenshot. So basically we want to see, okay, we want to delete some of this, all right? is very crowded on the daily time frame, so yeah. Okay, so we see that, feel that gap around the level. All right, so you see that right here, it go full right there, and then it pulled back. Yesterday it pulled back in the PM, and today it start right in the middle of the PM, and it take the buy side of the PM on Thursday, the sell side, and then it reverse. So these two candle right there give us the idea how in the low time frame it manifests itself. Yeah, I think we need to give a little bit time right there. All right, a little time. 9:30. So we have an idea. Yeah, just put 9:30 up here. About the day right here is August 30. Yeah, we already have the day, so we could. So we want some time frame reference right there. So that's so basically gap down, it fell to the field, and then it take the buy side, right? And how does manifest in this? Right, we see that and how that manifests right there. So the right up for us gonna be the previous day PM. So we have two things right here. So we have to have a better understanding of how liquidity will run right here. So basically we have a private day BM ran right there. Plus a fabric gap down. So that is our contact, right? So it fell. First is a fell to feel the fabric gap down. Then the next step is the Friday PM sell liquidity rate right there, and then it formed a full breakout. A full breakout reversal type 1, and then it's gonna create a head and shoulder. You see head and shoulder right there. Head and shoulder reversal right there. Yes. Yep, I think that should be good. Yep, so that is our this is our write up right there. So this is a PM range fellow gap down. Watch for that. It tried to refill the gap, it fell and go. It rate the buy side, sell side, and boom, it go. That's the reason why the review very important. Help us to see the thing that we failed to see during the real time. Help us to have a better perspective. All right, let's take a look at some of the trade we took for today. All right, some of the trade we took for today. Let's take a look at the last trade we took. So perfect. All right, here's the trade we took. Right, we see right there. So basically, we go in, we see wow, it be gap down and gap up. It's balanced bright range, more reliable one, and also we see a 4 breakout type 1 setup right there, and that's which way we're jumping. And then we decide to add it 10 more.
Order filled.
Yeah, at 10 more right there. And here's is the kick right there. As soon we go in, it kind of, go again at right there. And we patient wait, and then look at this one. This one, we thought that it's gonna be, it is. But then it flipped again, and it took our out. You see that? It hit our stop loss right there. Our stop loss is 56.10, 56.50. So it's right here. What's the low of this one? Yeah, 56.10. Yeah, so 2 pips below our stop loss. So it hit our stop loss right there. Boom, we out. But we did not give up. We said, wow, something right here is the reason why we don't understand, because next time we have to put our stop loss right here. Somehow we have to change our way to look. We have to base on the liquidity, based on the low, not the up and down or the down close of a candle. Has to go by the level. That will help her to stay in the trade better. You see right here. But look at this guy. It's also do one more rate that. Wow, look at that. You could ask not better. Low 0875. Low of this. Yeah, exactly. The equal right here. Let's see how we handle this. Wow, so as soon as we see this kind of flip, it really flip. You see that? Right here. Let's see. Well, this one's supposed to be down close, right? But it flipped. So you see that? Wow. Wow, you see that? It's just right this exactly. We say, wait a minute. Why flip right there? If we perfect right here, head and shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, exactly where we come in. So it take about 2 try in order to go in with this setup. So see the gap down, gap up is a balance break range right there. And we see right here also a breakout, for breakout level 1 right there, type 1. See that? So that's where we decided to go in. It got out and then it stuck up. And we know that it's gonna flip. That's the reason why we jump in right away. Because now we have our start lot right there. Perfect. 60, 15, yeah, 5 point right there. And we know that we're gonna head into a good setup. So just 2 minutes into it, you see the flip right there. And we add, so we wait until 9 to the minute of the candle. It's still not moving much, but we still decided to add right there. We add 10 more and boom, we see then we move our target. See that? And we move our target again because we see that it's gonna hit the low of the 830 right there, where they released the BCA data. So we anticipate it's gonna hit that level. Yeah, we move right one more time. But if we let it run it all the way, it's gonna go all the way. But anyway, it's a nice trade. It hit the level exactly we anticipate. We're a little bit impatient. We almost try to close early, but we say why not? Leave it there because you see a very strong signal set up right here. Head and shoulder. You have gap down, half up, and head and shoulder. You have all the signature of a very high quality setup. So why we not let it run and hit the targets? Yep.
Order
Boom.
filled.
So we lost about 6,000, but we make the trade right there. But if we brave and enough or no understand liquidity, we will let it run all the way. Eventually it's gonna, after it rate the buy side of this range, the PM range, previous day PM range, it's gonna rate the sell side. The sell side after the misspoke right there. It rate the low, which is a sell side liquidity. Then I'm gonna rate the buy, the high, which is the sell side liquidity. We thought, wow, maybe it's just stop around here because Friday, right? But somehow it make the way all the way there to take the buy side. We thought it may just stop around the 830 open right here around the level, or maximum we're gonna rate the buy side of this one, but it did more than that. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better setup right here. So the level we got is right here, candle range right there. So let's take risk screenshot. So we have if we take the trade right here at that level, the question for us is, are we exit here and re-enter right here or not, or we have few nervous, we exit out. That is the scenario we have to do. So let's see if we go in right here, are we gonna take profit when it hit this level, right? Which is let's go with this. Yeah, you have this level or 3R right there. Get out and we go re-enter, or what we're gonna do? That's the real challenge right there, because when we in the trade we say, oh, it come back, so we give back again. That's where it make us very nervous, very uncomfortable right there, whether we should stay in the trade, close the trade, or re-entry. That's always a challenge decision we have to make in the real time. But let's make this real quick. So basically we have a break. And then we have test from below and have reverse. But right here we also have the gap down, gap up. We can re-enter at that level also. Right, we can re-enter at this candle, or add size to that candle, because we have a very beautiful setup. So basically it's gonna be step one is break. And step two is test this way, and this scenario is from below. And then this scenario is reverse. So we have three steps right there for a 4 breakout, reversal 4 breakout. And the nice thing we have right here is we have combination right there. All right, let's look at our playbook we have. Remember, the playbook we have is right here, right? That's the type one we have reversal right there. You have break, test from below above, and then reverse right here. That is the long set of the match with the pattern we see today. So it's break, test from below, and reverse, right? That's exactly. And now we combine with the balance break range or head and shoulders. So all of them is in this setup. Beautiful right there. So we say 4 breakout at the level 5609, no, 0575 is a reversal type 1, right? Oh, what happened? Why it disappeared on us? Very strange. 560575, which is a reversal type 1, and then we have other confluent right there. So basically it's 1 2 3, right? Break, and then we have test from below, it's test from below, and then it reverse. That's our setup. Note that we also have what? We also have the previous day PM sell side liquidity rate that gives you a very good, because you want to engage when you see the liquidity rate, either the fab, either the external liquidity or internal. External liquidity is the high, the low. Internal is just the fair gap right there. And also we have what? We have balance price range. It's forming right there. Formation. See right there? Balance price range. And also another one is called head and shoulder reversal. Right there, head and shoulder right there. So we have a lot of beautiful condition for it right there to check this trade. Yeah, we have all the good for that trade. All right, I think that's it for today. Thank you for your time and interest. We are always grateful for these opportunities, and we do what we love. Then success will come to our way. Day by day, every way, we're getting better and better. Bye bye, and have a great weekend. Talk to you later next week.